Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your CBQ credit card in mobile app. First, open the CBQ mobile app on your phone. Log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, look at the home screen. Tap on the card from the menu. This section shows all the debit card and credit cards. From the list of the card, tap on the credit card you want to active. You will see the card details. Look for the option that says active card, tap on it. CBQ will send you the one-time password, also called the OTP by message, or inside the app enter the OTP code exactly as received and tap confirm. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.